Hello, my beautiful people. How are we doing today? How are we doing today? Happy to be here for yet another session. You're all most welcome. The new ones, you're most welcome. And you are in the right place. Definitely. For the old ones, happy to see you come through each and every single day. Come through and let us see how today is going to play out, how today is going to do wonders for us. So, right, and as we can see, we are still having our pair, that is WTI crude oil OTC. That is what we are dealing with. So, as we can see, I've set my amount at 500 US dollars, 15 seconds. The alligator indicator as the main indicator. MACD is backing it up. So come through, we analyze the market together, we see how each and everything is going to play out. Pocket option, that is a platform that we are using, or you could call it the broker. And then binary options trading. That is what we are having. So come through. Do not get confused about anything. For any confusions, if they come up, please talk to me. Let us see how to clear them. Sammy over there, you are most welcome. Happy to have you around. You are a very fast person to send in a message. Happy to see you. Ruth, hi Ruth, how are you doing? Hope you're well. Hope you are doing amazing. So happy to see you and always excited to have you around. Alex Media TV, hi, how are you? Hope you are well. Hope you are doing great over there. DJ system comes through. Happy to still have you around. You're most welcome. Let me hope you are doing well. Let me hope you are doing okay yourself over there. So, without saying much, allow me inform you that we have our first video uploaded on Telegram. Okay, so please find time, find your convenient time to go to my Telegram. You go through the video, learn a few things. We shall be uploading some few videos day in, day out, such that at least we are able to learn some things here and there. So that over there is the first video that I have uploaded. Go through it, learn something out of it, such that whenever we are having these sessions, we are at least somewhere, we have some knowledge about certain things. We know that for the indicators, this is exactly how to do the setups and everything. Sorry about that. This is how we do the setups. This is what we should expect. This is how to set up the amount and everything of the sort. So please go through it. And then from there, we shall continue and we see how best to handle or to learn or the other, what comes with the other videos. All right. So that is it. With the videos, I will keep uploading a few, because the main point here is for you people to. We have been asking so much about the strategy. Lina, what strategy are you using? How are you doing it? We want to learn. We want to understand. So I've put something. Let us first start with that. More other videos are coming. Okay. Day in, day out, we shall keep learning, we shall keep improving ourselves. After watching those videos, when we come here for the sessions, ask in addition to what probably maybe you have learned. Or if there is anything still that you have not understood from the videos, feel free to ask, and I will be so open to elaborate or to talk more about them. All right. So that is it with the videos. We are now into it. So sorry for the long delay, but here we are. Here we are. So let us get into it and we see how things are going to play around. That is Musa over there. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you're well. Hope you are doing amazing. Happy to have you around. Happy to have you around. Okay, we have Alex, that is Alex ISF over there. Thank you for coming through. Happy to have you join us. Please feel free. You are all most welcome. For the new ones, feel at home. Thank you for joining in. Let us have it all started. Like and subscribe. We are keeping it here. Let us keep it here. We keep learning day in, day out. When this little information that we keep collecting or that we keep gathering, when it accumulates, we definitely go away with something amazing. So keep it here, same time, each and every single day. Okay, so all right, I'm seeing a blessing over there. Hi, blessing. How are you doing? Hope you are well. Hope you are amazing. Thank you for always coming through and definitely for keeping around. Thank you very much. I really do appreciate you. So, like I said, with these videos, what we shall be seeing, we shall be learning a few things to do with the indicators, like I've been saying. Binary option trading, we deal with indicators, we deal with the candlestick patterns. Okay, so for the different strategies, we know we have support and resistance, we have the retest, we have, there are a number of different strategies. But like I'm explaining, when it comes to smaller time frame tradings, we see that the indicators are very important. Candlestick patterns are very important. So focus so much. Let us put most of our energy, our understanding right there, such that at least we know exactly what we are dealing with, what to expect, what the outcome will be. So focus on understanding those, learning them. With those videos, they come with a number of indicators. We shall see the RSI, the indicators, and other indicators. So go through in your own time. Try to go deeper into these indicators. You understand them, how they work, and how you will be using them. Because at the end of the day, one thing we are looking at is for us to have the knowledge on how to go about trading. Okay, so go through them, understand them. This information mainly is for the beginners, the people that want to do good for themselves in trading. Okay, so learn something, improve yourselves, become better. This year is for improving ourselves. We have to be able to sit right in our different homes or in our different spaces, and we are able to place in a trade. We are able to make profits here and there. Okay, there is generally so much information we can all have about trading, but there is also basic and important, or to start with, information that we need. So that is the information that we shall be having in those different videos that are coming up. What is important for us? When do we place in a trade? That is one of the things that people have been asking me so much. What do we consider? What do we look at? Okay, so all that information is provided. And in the first hour, like we all know, we are in the personal trading. That is when I'm having my trades as well, chatting with you in the chat section. We are having a conversation. We are trying to understand exactly how things are supposed to go about. Okay, so please always feel free to send in a question, ask. Let us see how to go about each and everything. Okay. Okay. So that is with what is going on Telegram. For those that are unable to get that information, please go into my YouTube bio, have the Telegram link, subscribe, and then you shall be able to have that information such that we are all moving on the same page. We are all moving on the same page. That is Falk. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you're well. Hope you are doing amazing. Okay, so you are asking for how much to start. If you want me to do the trades for you, That is, we start with 300 US dollars, 350 US dollars there. But if you are going to, the fact that I'm trying to put up these tutorials on Telegram, and probably maybe I will put on YouTube as well. Please go through them, learn something, start practicing slowly by slowly, using the demo account for starters. Then when you are better or when you are doing okay, you get onto real trading. Okay, so if you want to do it on your own, please, I I do not charge you. All we have to do is learn, get the knowledge that we need, and then we can start trading. But if it is for the donations, then we start from 300 US dollars. That is where we start from, and then we see. So if it is about sending in the donations, that simply means you have to go in my YouTube bio, and you will see the donations a link. Go to it, go through the information. Definitely, I have to provide you with the terms and conditions such that you know what to expect, what I expect from you, what you can expect from me. All right, I'll get all the information there that you know. Then the next steps after that are very, very clear. They are very clear. That's when I ask you for, that is where I ask you for your name. After providing the name, then the amount that you want me to donate, that you are sending in for the donation, starting with 300 US dollars, then sending a message. How many times do you want me to trade for you? Okay. The other very important thing is your crypto wallet. Do not forget to send in your crypto wallet. That is where I send, that is where I transfer to your profits after winning. Okay, so that's how simple it goes. As we buy here. Okay, that is Oscar Free. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you are well. Hope you are well. Oh, I actually thought I'd worked on you. I thought I'd worked on you. Do not worry, do not worry. That is going to be worked on. That is going to be worked on. Sorry for the delay. Sorry for the delay. I'm going to work on it. Don't worry. Okay, Justice Trader. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you're well. Hope you are doing great. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for sending in a message. Okay, you're welcome. You're welcome, Oscar Free. Do not worry, that will be worked on. That will be worked on. It will be handled. Do not worry yourself. Okay, one Bible boost. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you are well. Hope you are well. Thank you for coming through. Happy to have you around. Okay, for anyone who is sending in a message about learning, you are most welcome. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for tuning in from wherever you are joining in from. So, one thing I could say right about now is the fact that I know I have kept you people waiting for a very, very long time. But right about now, I'm so happy and so excited to tell you that I've started putting the videos out there for us to be able to learn, for us to be able to understand a few things here and there about the trading that I'm carrying on, okay? That which is binary options trading. Okay, so please go in my YouTube bio. There is the Telegram link. Subscribe. I've started posting, I've started uploading videos on Telegram as we see to put them on YouTube as well. So go there, start small, start with me small. Let us see how it will go, how we shall be able to improve ourselves in trading. Slowly by slowly, we shall be able to get there. Right? The most important thing is for us to be able to understand a few things here and there. So go to the Telegram channel, see what I've put there, then we start from there. Okay. Okay, I'm seeing Patrick. Hi, Patrick. How are you doing? Hope you are well. Hope you are doing amazing. Thank you for coming through. Happy to see you around. Okay, next I'm seeing Lucy. Hi, Lucy. How are you doing? Hope you're well. Hope you are amazing. Happy to have you around. Thank you for tuning in from wherever you are tuning in from. I'm just so excited to have you around. Mentalizer, hi, how are you? Hope you're well. Hope you are well. That is a throwback. Hi, how are you? Hope you're well. Hope you are doing okay yourself over there. Okay, that is Dehemi. Hi, how are you? Hope you are well. Thank you for coming through. I'm so excited to see you guys here with me for yet another session. Thank you very, very much. Let us keep it positive. We keep it going. We keep it moving as we see how each and everything will play out today. WTI crude oil OTC. That is what we are trading for the day. Remember, we are dealing with smaller time frames. That's why you're seeing the 15 seconds. That's why I talk about the 5 seconds for the candle close. 15 seconds still for the chart time frame. So whenever you hear binary options are trading, we are completely looking at smaller time frames. Okay, so scalping is in play. Scalping is in play. And then when you see OTC, what does OTC mean? Lena, how come you trade on public holidays? How come you trade on weekends when the market has closed? Whenever we see OTC, just have it in mind that we are dealing with an open market. Okay, we are dealing with an open market. This allows us to trade each day we please to, whether a weekend, a public holiday, you know, anytime you feel like trading, anytime you feel like making some money for yourself, making some profits for yourself, the market is open. Okay, so pocket option, that is the broker or the platform. Okay, no, this is not Cortex, this is pocket option. That is from Mustafi. Yes, it is a pocket option. Thank you for coming through as well. Happy to have you around. Okay, to King Leo, uh, it is in the process. So very soon you will be receiving a message very soon. So do not worry. I am on it. So very soon you will be receiving a message. Okay. So John, hi. So John, how are you? How are you doing? Hope you're well. Hope you are amazing over there. With a strategy, definitely we shall be getting to know, we shall be getting to understand how it all works with a few videos that I'm going to share with you. Trust me, they are not going to leave you the same. They are going to be able to answer the questions that you have. And if you still have questions, please feel free to come through and ask me during the session, all right? Feel free. You ask me, we get to it, I answer, and then we see how to go about. Oof, I've made double losses over here. Double losses. Lilu, hi Lilu, how are you doing? Hope you are well. Okay. For the strategy, please go to my Telegram, and you will have a few answers to start with on Telegram. Okay. It will bring to you. It will give you an idea of exactly what we are looking at, or what exactly is going on. The purpose of the indicators, that is for a throwback, we are seeing the alligator indicator. Sorry about that. Okay, so I was just trying to do something small here, and I am back. I'm seeing Monday over there. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you're well. Hope you are doing great. Taiwo, hi, how are you? Hope you're doing okay. How can I join your mentorship? Okay, so we are going to be having a few tutorials that is on my Telegram account, and then also probably maybe on the YouTube channel. So go in my YouTube bio, and you will have you see the Telegram link over there. Subscribe, and then we shall be together. We shall be able to see every information that I post there, every information, every tutorial, every lesson that I post there, such that we are able to learn something out of it. All right, so that is how we can move together, join in, and we see how everything moves. Frank wants to understand the chats. So for the chats, as you've been hearing me mentioning here and there, please subscribe on my telegram channel, and then you will be able to see everything everything starting with a setup, with the settings, how everything is done. Starting from scratch, you will be able to see, understand, know what indicators are used, where to get the indicators from, the amount from, the timings from, every single thing. So let us move together with these tutorials that I'm going to be posting on Telegram, and then we see how it will go about. Okay, so I was trying to explain, someone had asked me what are the indicators for. So for the indicators, the fact that we are scalpers, okay, that simply means we are dealing with smaller time frames. When we are dealing with smaller time frames, that simply means, sorry. Okay, so as I was saying, with the indicators, as we see the alligator indicator and the MACD indicator, as I was saying that we are dealing with smaller time frames, so this helps us, the fact that we do not have a lot of time to waste while trading. These indicators, I'm talking about these two that I'm using right now, they help me with that direction. They help me identify easily what direction am I taking. So it gives me a clear picture that right about now, let us get ready to place in a buy if we are moving in an uptrend. It helps me get ready to place in a trade if I'm moving in a downtrend, a sell trade in case I'm moving in a downtrend. So these indicators that I'm using help me so much with the direction in which the trend is going. and then they also help me identify the strength of that particular trend that I'm taking. When we are very sure that we are in an uptrend, it's very easy for us to place in as a buy trade. If we are very sure, you see with these three lines, if when we talk about momentum, that is the strength of a particular trend, and we are looking at the uptrend and the downtrend, because we do not consider consolidation, because that is when the market is sleeping, or we are not able to identify, what direction are we taking. So whenever we risk to trade during a consolidation state, in most cases you're going to make a loss. Okay, so let us consider two trends here, the uptrend and the downtrend. So the alligator indicator helps us with the direction of those two trends, whether we are moving up or moving down. Then also, how strong is this trend? Okay, so that is the importance of the indicators. That is the importance of it. All right, I saw someone else, that was Akini. Hi, how are you doing? Thank you for coming through. Hope you are doing okay. Hope you are amazing. So, for the last donation that you sent in, that was traded and we made a loss on it. So, I do not have any donation that have not worked on. When it comes to you, I worked on it. I traded, but we did not have a profit. And like I keep saying, every single day when I trade for you, I always mention that next is this person, this amount, and this number of items. So I did a trade for you. We just made a loss. Okay, that is from Anna Consulting. Okay, sorry about that. Hope it's better now. Hope it is better now. Okay, Crazy Founder. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you're well. Hope you are doing amazing. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for coming through. Okay, Prosperous. That is Prosperous. Jerry, hi, how are you doing? Hope you're well. Thank you for coming through. Happy to have you around. Sir Mike, hi, Lena. Please, is a strategy video out? Okay, here's the thing. I made a number of videos, but for now, I've just started posting on Telegram. So please, for the first one, I've posted it, go through it, see how it is, see what we can learn from it as we proceed. More videos will keep coming, one by one, because the whole thing is for us to learn and understand the strategy, how everything is, how the setup is, everything. In the end, we just want to be able to sit back home and be able to place in a trade, be able to say right about now, we are good to go with a trade. So I have just started off. So start with what I've put there as I be posting other videos, all right? So the first one is there. That is for in response to Sir Mike and to the others that have been asking, by the way. You're welcome. Okay, Martinez, hi, how are you doing? Hope you are well. Hope you are well. Shally over there, hi, how are you? I see you. Thank you for coming in. Thank you for coming through. For the information that I started putting out about the strategy, please let us go to a Telegram. Let us go to Telegram. Let us move together bit by bit. Okay. Right back to my beautiful and amazing people. Thank you for coming through. For the new ones, you're most welcome. Happy to have you around. Happy to have you around. Excited to be with you, to move this journey with you. Like and subscribe. Let us keep it together. We keep it going. We keep it growing. And for the new ones, you have come in at the right time, the right time, where I list a few videos here and there. I have started releasing, and we shall be able to learn from them. I believe so. I believe we shall be able to learn from them. So subscribe on my Telegram, and then we shall be able to learn a few things here and there. Shirley is asking what indicators I'm using and the time frame. Okay, so for the indicators, that is the alligator indicator. Okay, set at default. MACD indicator as well. Those are the two indicators that I am using. So for the time frame, the chart time frame, that is 15 seconds. The candle close, 5 seconds. Expiry time, 15 seconds as well. So that is how we are moving. We are basically dealing with a smaller time frame. That's why I'm talking about 15, 5 seconds. We are dealing with a smaller time frame simply because we are scalping. Okay, but Shali, thank you for coming through. Please like and subscribe. Let us keep going together. We shall be learning a few things here and there to better and to improve our trading. All right, that is Tembo. Hi Tembo, how are you doing? Hope you are well. Thank you for coming through. Happy to have you around. Isaiah, hi, how are you doing? Hope okay, Isaiah, thank you for coming through. Happy to have you around. Video truck, hi, video truck, how are you doing? Hope you're well. Thank you for coming through. Happy to have you around. So, right about now, let us prepare to get into with the donations we missed yesterday. Let us get into it right about now. Yes, Charlie, 5 seconds. That is for the candle close. The chart time frame, we are looking at 15 seconds. I am a scalper, okay? So the platform that is pocket option, trading binary options. So I'm dealing with a smaller time frame, right? Okay, so with the donations for the new people that have just joined in, what really happens is you send in your money, I do trade for you, but I always put the list on the chart such that we trade together. You know exactly who is coming in first, who is coming in last. It is a transparent way of trading. I do not do anything behind the curtains. So I trade for you. You definitely get to see that we have won or we have lost. Okay. So let me put the first list on the chart over there. Our first person is Orlando, 350 US dollars. We are looking at a take profit of 3K. Okay, we are into it for Orlando. If you made a loss on our first attempt, we give it one more try and we see. Okay, we give it one more try and we see. Okay, so right about now the focus is in the air, but for the people that are in the chat section. It does not prevent us from chatting, from sending in messages, interacting. As we place in a buy position over here. Okay, so we are having a plus for the first attempt. Let us give it positive, we keep it going, and we see how it will all play out. So, okay, amazing. So right about now we are already at 1K. Remember our take profit is 3K. We buy here. That is amazing. That is amazing. So we are left with just a few dollars to get to 3K. Look at that. Look at that. Right. Congratulations. That is to Orlando. Right about now, we are already at a 3K plus. Okay, so allow me transfer this to Orlando's wallet. Congratulations, Orlando. Okay, Thai, that is Thai. Hi, how are you? Hope you're well. Hope you are well. With that, you will go in my YouTube bio. There is the donations link. Check it out. Go through the terms and conditions. Then the following steps after that are very easy. You send in your name, like how you see Orlando, the amount that you're sending in, say 350 US dollars, and how many times do you want me to trade for you that money that you have sent in? Then after that, send in your crypto wallet. This is where I transfer your profits to after a win. So you are going to see down there what I'm going to put. That is how the wallet looks like. Okay, and that is Tether wallet. Okay, congratulations. So after that, send in, and then I will be able to receive your donation. Okay, so next we are having, that is a sin 550 US dollars. We are taking it for 2 items. Okay, we sell over there. Beautiful. So that is for our first attempt. That is for our first attempt. We have one more to go. Let's let's buy here. That is a plus. That is a plus. Congratulations. That is to send over there. Congratulations to you. Okay, so for that question, that is to survey. That is to survey. Whenever I do that, it's because I'm trying to transfer. I'm trying to transfer this money to the owner. So maybe the I'm just having a few. Most of the times, whenever you see that, I'm just having a few issues transferring the money. So I keep the account running. That's why you see that I put it at 2 minutes and then $1. Reason being, I cannot risk someone's profits by leaving them running. Okay, so I always put it at that to prevent a loss this side as I work on the account to transfer the money. So that's why you always see me doing that. Okay, so that is still a Tether wallet. Okay, congratulations. And next we have Ari. That is 350 US dollars, 4 items. Okay, so we are going for 4 items for Ari. 4 items. That is to Shali. That simply means the person sent in 350 US dollars and they are looking at a profit that multiplies the 4 atoms. Okay, so as I keep trading, you will keep seeing that the profits keep increasing until I've traded 4 times. Okay, that is if we are making a profit, but if we make a loss, it will stop there. So I'm just praying that this makes a profit such that you see how it works out. So you send in 350 US dollars and then I keep multiplying what I keep getting, okay? Until I've traded 4 times. Thank you, Survey. Thank you very much. Brenny, hi, how are you doing? Thank you for coming through. Yes, Brenny X, yes, we go throughout the week. Let me place in a cell position of here. Are we on? That is a plus for us, or Shali. we have multiplied 350. So that is the amount that you're seeing up there, which is 659. So that same amount, I trade that profit that I've received. So that is our first attempt, meaning if I trade that amount, that will be our second attempt. I retrade still the profit that I get. So that is how it works. Okay. Thank you very much, Brenny. I appreciate that. I really do appreciate that. Okay, we sell again. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Okay, so that is our second attempt. So we see to go into the third. If the first attempt is a loss, I retrade for you using my own money. Okay, and if it turns out to be a profit, we proceed like that, like that. But if on the second attempt we make a loss, then that's it. Okay. Thank you for being new. Thank you for coming through. Let me hope we shall stick together. We shall keep around. Like and subscribe such that we stick together here. Okay, so that is for our third attempt. We have just one more to go. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So that is for our fourth attempt. And we have a profits over here. Congratulations to Ari. Congratulations to you. Okay, so let me transfer Ari's profits to her wallet. Okay, so tether wallet still for Ari. Okay, congratulations once again. That is Antoine next. 700 US dollars, 2 items. Let me see. It's like beautiful. That is a plus. That is our first plus over here. Okay, so we have one more attempt to go. Oh, so sorry about that, Antoine. So sorry about that. We have not been able to make profits. My sincere apologies. My sincere apologies to you. Okay, next we have Lawson, that is 350 US dollars, 5 attempts. Okay, we are into it. Remember, we are taking it for 5 attempts. Beautiful. So that is for our first attempt. Let us get into the second one. Okay, so that is amazing. We have 3 more attempts to go. Okay, let me buy. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. So that is our third attempt. Let us see. Remember, we are going for 5 attempts. Okay, and that is a Brainy X. The best indicators for me, trust me, I think maybe because I've overused the alligator indicator. I know so much about it and I've practiced it so much. So I feel to me it's the best. Okay, definitely helped by the MACD indicator. So for me, I feel it's the best. Okay, so for a low sun over there, sorry, on our fourth attempt, we made a loss. Penta 350 US dollars for attempts. Brandy, as I was saying, definitely for an indicator, I know that's what most of them do, but for an indicator that gives me a signal that right about now, let us get ready to get into the market. I feel on my end it is the very best. So we have very many indicators that we can use, but it depends on what you practice more. It depends on what you use more. Okay, so I think that is also the other thing. Try the alligator, go through it, understand it, see how it works. Then also you keep trying others. One thing that I keep saying is I always go for the easy things. So try them out and see which one you are best comfortable with. I cannot dictate that use this, use that. No, 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 no. But for me, I would say the alligator helped with the MACD is my best. Okay, so that is for our second attempt, and we have a plus, 2 more to go. Okay, so Brandy, you do minute trades. Okay, let me first have it. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So we have one more to go. That is for Penta. One more to go. So for Penta, we have one more item to go. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So we have our profits over there. That is for Penta. Congratulations, congratulations, Penta over there. I know the other day, because yesterday we did not have donations, the other day things did not go so well, but today, congratulations, congratulations to you. Okay, so that is for our wallet to the wallet still. Congratulations this time around, Penta. Congratulations and thank you for always sending in your donations. I really do appreciate. Next, we have Rachel. That is 350 US dollars. For we are looking at a take profit of 4K. Okay, that is a beautiful. So that is for our first attempt. Remember, we are taking it to 4K. So that is our next list over there. Okay, that is Jat Brand over there. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you're well. Hope you are doing amazing. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for joining in. Oscar Free, thank you very much for the participation. I really do appreciate you. That is Coach Monkey Entertainment. Okay, that is a pocket option. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Survey, for the response. 59 Mad. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you are well. Jacob, please check in my YouTube bio. You will definitely find the donations link over there. Let me sell here. Nope. Let me buy. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So right about now we are at 1K, but remember we are looking at 4K. So let us get going and we see. Mhm. Oof. So sorry about that. So sorry about that. That is for Rachel. My sincere apologies. Okay, that is also free. Okay, let me check in with that. Okay, let me check in. Let me check in. Okay, so Horizon 600 US dollars, 2 atoms. Okay. Okay, so that is a plus for our first attempt. Remember, we are taking it for just 2 atoms. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Congratulations to Horizon over there. Congratulations to you. Okay, Horizon over there. Congratulations once again. Okay, so that is a Bitcoin wallet. Okay, congratulations to Horizon. That is Andy over there. 350 US dollars. We are taking it for 2 atoms. Okay, let us go. Okay, do I buy here? Yeah. Beautiful. So that is for our first attempt. We have one more to go. That is for Andy over there. Beautiful. Let us get into our last attempt. We see. Amazing, amazing. Look at that. Okay, congratulations. That is to Andy. Congratulations to you. Okay, I'm seeing someone coming in from Argentina. Hi, how are you doing? Thank you for joining in. Please, my beautiful people, do not forget to like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Let us keep it here. Let us keep it going. We keep it amazing. Please keep around. Come through each and every single day. Same time. Please. You're almost welcome. Happy to always have you around. Happy to always see you join in. All right. Like and subscribe. Do not just land on our sessions. Like and subscribe. Let us be intentional. Okay. We are here to learn. We are here to improve in our trading. We are on a journey. I said by the end of this year, we should be somewhere beautiful and somewhere amazing. Okay, so like and subscribe all the way from Mauritius. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you are amazing. Okay, Hawaii over there. Thank you for coming through. Happy to have you around. Do not hesitate. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Okay, so for Andy over there, congratulations. Let me do the transfer to your wallet. Okay, so as I transfer Andy's profits to his wallet, thank you very, very much for today. Allow me appreciate you. And for the donations, where I've stopped today is where I will start off tomorrow. My time is up. I've enjoyed today's session. It has been so amazing. Thank you, my beautiful people, my lovely people. Thank you for the love. Thank you for sticking around. I really do appreciate you. Tomorrow, let us do the same thing, same time. I am always here for 2 amazing hours, and in those 2 hours, let us always do wonders. Okay, thank you for today. Let us stick around. We keep learning, we keep improving ourselves. Have a lovely day to wherever you are. Thank you very much, guys. I will see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Okay, 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 okay.